Have you ever dreamt of leaving a mark on the world, of making a difference that echoes through time, long after you're gone? It's a thought that crosses many minds, a yearning to be remembered, to be significant. But how do you turn that dream into reality, of inspiring others with your story? Imagine the power of your experiences, your journey, and your insights, all coming together to touch the lives of countless individuals. Your story has the potential to uplift, to motivate, and to guide others through their own challenges, of sharing wisdom that could change lives. Every lesson you've learned, every obstacle you've overcome, holds a piece of wisdom that could be the key to someone else's breakthrough. Your words could be the beacon of hope that someone desperately needs. What if you could bottle your experiences, your lessons, your triumphs, and your struggles into a powerful elixir of inspiration? Imagine creating something tangible, something that can be passed down through generations, a testament to your journey and your growth. You can write an inspirational book, a book that captures the essence of who you are, what you've been through, and what you've learned. It's a way to immortalize your story, to ensure that your voice continues to resonate, even when you're no longer here. This isn't about becoming a best-selling author, although that's possible. It's about something much deeper. It's about creating a legacy that transcends the pages of a book. It's about touching lives, one reader at a time, and making a lasting impact. It's about answering a call to share your unique voice, to light the path for others, and to leave an imprint on the hearts and minds of those who need your story. It's about stepping into your power and embracing the role of a storyteller, a guide, and a beacon of hope. A call to share your unique voice, to light the path for others, and to leave an imprint on the hearts and minds of those who need your story. Your legacy is not just about what you achieve, but about the lives you touch and the inspiration you provide. So what will your legacy be? Inspirational books are more than just words on a page. They are beacons of hope, guiding lights for those navigating life's uncertainties. They offer solace, encouragement, and practical wisdom, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. These books have the power to ignite change, to push us beyond our comfort zones, and to help us become the best versions of ourselves. They remind us of our own resilience, our capacity for growth, and our interconnectedness as human beings. Think about the books that have touched your life. Books like The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, which provided a blueprint for personal and professional effectiveness. Or Atomic Habits by James Clear, which broke down the science of habit formation into simple, actionable steps. These books, and countless others like them, have transformed millions of lives. They offer proof that within every individual lies a wellspring of wisdom and experience that can inspire and uplift others. Every inspirational book starts with a spark, a purpose. This spark is often ignited by a personal experience, a profound realization, or a deep-seated passion that drives you to share your story with the world. It's the core reason why you feel compelled to put pen to paper, to transform your thoughts into words, and to create something that can inspire and uplift others. What do you want to share with the world? Is it a message of hope, a tale of resilience, or perhaps a guide to achieving one's dreams? Your purpose is the foundation upon which your entire book will be built. It's what will keep you motivated through the writing process, and what will resonate with your readers long after they've turned the last page. What message do you feel compelled to convey? Think about the core themes and ideas that you want to explore. Are you aiming to educate, to entertain, or to inspire? Your message should be clear and focused, providing a roadmap for your readers to follow. It's the essence of what you want to communicate, distilled into a powerful narrative that can touch hearts and change lives. Is it a story of overcoming adversity? Perhaps you've faced significant challenges in your life and have emerged stronger and wiser. Sharing your journey of triumph over obstacles can provide hope and encouragement to others who may be facing similar struggles. Your story can be a beacon of light, showing that it's possible to overcome even the toughest of circumstances. A guide to finding your passion? Maybe you've discovered a path to fulfillment and joy through a particular hobby, career, or lifestyle. By sharing your insights and experiences, you can help others find their own passions and pursue them with enthusiasm. Your book can serve as a guide, offering practical advice and inspiration to those seeking to enrich their lives. A roadmap to personal growth? If you've embarked on a journey of self-improvement and personal development, your experiences can provide valuable lessons for others. Whether it's through mindfulness, goal setting, or self-reflection, your book can offer a blueprint for readers to follow as they strive to become the best versions of themselves. Take time to reflect on your own experiences, your values, and your aspirations. Consider the moments that have shaped you, the lessons you've learned, and the dreams you hold dear. These reflections will help you define your purpose and clarify the message you want to share. It's a process of introspection that will bring depth and authenticity to your writing. What lessons have you learned along the way? Think about the wisdom you've gained through your experiences. These lessons can provide valuable insights for your readers, helping them navigate their own journeys. By sharing your knowledge, you can offer guidance and support to those who may be facing similar challenges. What insights can you offer others? Your unique perspective and understanding can be a source of inspiration and enlightenment. Whether it's through personal anecdotes, practical advice, or philosophical musings, your insights can help others see the world in a new light and find their own paths to fulfillment. Your purpose will be the guiding star of your book, shaping its message and resonating with readers who connect with your story. It's the driving force behind your writing, the reason why you're compelled to share your journey. By clearly defining your purpose and message, you'll create a book that not only reflects your unique voice but also has the power to inspire and transform the lives of those who read it. Unveiling your truth: the power of personal storytelling. Authenticity is the lifeblood of inspirational writing. Sharing your own story, your vulnerabilities, your challenges, and your triumphs creates a powerful connection with readers. It allows them to see themselves in your experiences and to draw strength from your journey. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Embrace your imperfections. It's in our shared human experience, in our struggles and triumphs, that we find our greatest strength and inspire others to do the same. Creating a roadmap, outlining key lessons and insights. Once you've defined your purpose and shared your story, it's time to distill your experiences into key lessons and insights. What are the core messages you want readers to take away from your book? Structure your book in a clear and logical way, guiding readers through your insights step by step. Each chapter should focus on a specific lesson, supported by anecdotes, examples, and actionable advice that readers can implement in their own lives. Actionable inspiration: empowering readers through exercises. An inspirational book isn't just about reading, it's about doing. Incorporate practical exercises, worksheets, or journaling prompts that encourage readers to apply your teachings to their own lives. These exercises will empower readers to take ownership of their growth, to put your advice into practice, and to experience tangible results from your guidance. Authenticity and empathy: the heart of inspirational writing. As you write, remember to write from a place of authenticity and empathy. Put yourself in your readers' shoes. What are their struggles? What kind of support do they need? Let your words be a source of comfort, encouragement, and understanding. Write in a clear, concise, and engaging style. Use relatable examples and anecdotes to illustrate your points. Most importantly, let your passion shine through your writing. Enthusiasm is contagious, and it will resonate with your readers. Embrace your potential. Start writing your inspirational book today. Writing an inspirational book is not just about putting words on paper, it's about sharing a piece of your soul with the world. It's about reaching out to others who might be going through similar experiences and offering them a beacon of hope. Your story, no matter how ordinary you think it is, has the potential to touch hearts and change lives. So why wait? The world is waiting to hear your voice, to read your words, and to be inspired by your journey. The world needs your story. Think about the books that have inspired you, the ones that have made you laugh, cry, and reflect. Those books were written by individuals who, just like you, had a story to tell. They took the leap of faith and shared their experiences, and in doing so, they made a difference. Your story can do the same. It can provide comfort to someone who feels alone, guidance to someone who is lost, and inspiration to someone who is on the brink of giving up. Your experiences, your insights, and your unique perspective have the power to inspire and uplift others. Every challenge you've faced, every triumph you've celebrated, and every lesson you've learned can be a source of strength for someone else. By sharing your story, you're not only helping others, but also healing yourself. Writing can be a therapeutic process, allowing you to reflect on your journey and find meaning in your experiences. Don't wait for the perfect time to start writing. The time is now. Start small. Begin with a single sentence, a paragraph, or a page. The important thing is to start. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate each milestone. Remember, every great book started with a single word. The journey of writing a book is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll have a manuscript that you can be proud of. Set aside dedicated time each day for writing. Embrace the journey. Find a routine that works for you, whether it's writing early in the morning, during lunch breaks, or late at night. Create a space that inspires you, a place where you can focus and let your creativity flow. Surround yourself with things that motivate you, whether it's a favorite book, a piece of art, or a cup of coffee. Writing is a journey, and like any journey, it requires dedication, perseverance, and a lot of heart. And remember, the most important step is the first one. Taking that initial step can be daunting, but it's also the most crucial. Once you start, you'll find that the words will come more easily, and the process will become more enjoyable. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or to write imperfectly. The first draft is just that, a draft. It's a starting point that you can refine and improve over time. The key is to keep moving forward, one word at a time. Take that leap of faith and share your story with the world. There will always be doubts and fears, but don't let them hold you back. Believe in the power of your story and the impact it can have. Share your work with others, seek feedback, and be open to constructive criticism. Remember, every author started somewhere, and every book has its own unique journey. Your story deserves to be told, and there are people out there who need to hear it. You have the power to change lives, one page at a time. Your words can inspire, heal, and transform. They can provide solace in times of sorrow, motivation in times of doubt, and joy in times of happiness. Writing an inspirational book is not just a creative endeavor, it's a gift to the world. So pick up that pen, open that laptop, and start writing your inspirational book today. The world is waiting for your story.